A business case studies company released a report that includes interesting and informative statistics regarding the trending improvements in remote work and the popularity of the new workflow in the eyes of both employer and employees. Not to mention, the exponentially drastic cuts in office expenses make remote work increasingly popular in companies across the globe. That is from the case studies. Now, working from home has become a modern reality for us anyway, and is no longer a dream of the apathic yet traditional loyal 9-to-5 office worker. There is nothing worse than a stagnant business operation lacking inspiring goals and practical procedures. Reevaluating goals and procedures can open the doors to the future evolution of a company. In a recent study conducted by 3,500 remote workers, 98% of the respondents answered that they would consider working from home for the rest of their careers. Also, 97% said that they would recommend others to work remote. 57 of these workers say that they conduct 100% of their work from home. 70% responded that they are happy with how much they work from home, while 90% said they would like to work from home more than they do right now. And that was a study in 2019. With improved employee productivity, monitoring software, analyzing employee productivity and performance has never been easier to manage. However, it has been proven that remote workers are often more productive and happier humans in direct response to healthier work-life balance. In company with the countless benefits of remote working, the flexibility was supported by 32%, and not having a daily commute was third on the list, with 21% supporting working from home. More quality family time was chosen by 11% of the remote workers, as per a business case study in 2020. Interestingly, in the US, for example, there are 8 million remote workers, and it has been noted that these remote workers have 35 to 40% higher productivity, while 82% of the Americans say they experience less stress daily as opposed to the traditional 9-to-5 office worker. Now, creating healthier employees is great, but the positive impact on the environment are priceless. 54 million tons of greenhouse gases are being reduced as a result of the lack of daily commutes of the work masses. Facts are facts. The countless benefits of remote work are obvious for the employee, the employer, and for the overall success of the business. The apparent improvements to worker health, environmental health, work-life balance, and happiness have the majority of remote workers planning to maintain a remote workflow for the rest of their working days. As a remote worker, I concur. Remote work is not for everyone, but it is for me and many others. To each their own. For employers, the cost efficiency of allowing employees in addition to their health is a major bonus, especially with the present-day world we are living in. The emphasis of COVID-19 has put on our health and awareness of remote working capabilities, and benefits have been tried and proven successful. Remote work has proven to be essential to this modern world.